Bamboo's gentle curves, cut and laid bare. Leaves scatter, whispers of life's fleeting care. Nature's canvas, simplicity abounds. Beauty in stillness, peace is found. In quiet moments, stories unfold of life's cycles, growth, and what's yet to be told. The bamboo's strength in flexibility lies, a testament to life's gentle size. As sunbeams filter, shadows play, dance of light in a peaceful way. Nature's harmony, a symphony sweet, a gentle reminder to slow our feet. In bamboo's wisdom, we find our way to bend with wind and seize each new day. A lesson learned in its gentle might, to find strength in the beauty of light. May nature's whispers guide you home to a place of peace where love is known.